for the evening called Midweek Magic Club. We welcome each and every one of you. I would request you to mute yourselves because sometimes there is disturbance in the line while we are speaking. Right. Thank you so much. Today's topic, as you all know, is stress management. But before I go to that, I would like to say a few words about Rapid Mile, our company. Now, Rapid Mile has been in this business of mainly law of attraction trainings and workshops for the last 18 years. Over the last 9 to 10 months, it has been now that we have had this beautiful opportunity given to us where we can take these workshops online. And so we can reach out to you in the comfort and safety of your very home. And I tell you, we are really enjoying it, and I hope you are too. We are a part of a team of 4 trainers. We are headed by Mr. Shaz Kamar, who is the director. Our senior most trainer is Mr. Balram Talreja, who will be speaking today, and I'll tell you about him too. We have Mr. Sanjeev Mishra, who is our very own money magnet, and then there is me, Dr. Anila Damodar. Now, coming back to our topic, do you know that today in our world, stress-related illnesses are the number one cause for death? Surprising, isn't it? It's not infection, not even COVID. It is stress that is slowly killing us inside. And it is for that reason that we chose this very topic, stress management, because we have all the tools to handle it. Today, none other than Mr. Balram Talreja, a life coach, a law of attraction trainer, an EFT specialist, and Ho'oponopono expert, will be speaking to us about this topic. He has the experience of 30 years behind him. So join me in welcoming Mr. Balram Talreja. You can all unmute yourselves and let's clap for him. Go ahead, sir.
Thank you, everybody, and most welcome to this another session of Rapid Mile today, rather third session. Everybody, be straight, close your eyes. We shall be doing Pranayam Om, which cleanses your body, mind, and the environment. Slow breathe in, followed by one, oo, double up that, and ma is 4 times. 1:2 to 4. Oo, and ma 3 times. Focus your attention to the center of eyebrows. Slow breathe in. Keeping eyes closed, maintaining the straightness, the steadiness, and relaxation of the body. Now pay the attention to both the nostrils and be aware, conscious as you watch at your breath. Relax forehead. Eyes have to be gently closed. Slowly and slowly get closer and closer to your breathing. सांसों की नजदीकियां, the closeness towards your breath will take you close to your silence of the mind. The closer you are to your breathing, the more concentrated you will be. As you continue with this consciousness of vertical breath, your consciousness starts transcending towards body to mind, mind to intellect, intellect to the self, to the supreme self, and beyond. It's very slowly. Now open your eyes. Shalvik, can you please share the first slide?
Sure. Can you see the slides?
Yes.
Okay.
Stress management. Before you think of managing the stress, you must know what is stress. We shall discuss all its aspects with the beautiful slides, which will make the subject very much easily clearer to you. Next slide. Stress is the body's reaction to any change that requires an adjustment or response. कोई भी ऐसा व्यक्ति, सिचुएशन, परिस्थिति, चैलेंज जो चाहता है चेंज लाना या हमारे रिस्पॉन्स को टुवर्ड्स दैट पर्टिकुलर thing or event or the people which is causing the stress in our life, but body reacts to these changes with physical, mental and emotional responses. शरीर, मन और भावनाएं स्ट्रेस के आते ही बदलने लगते हैं, स्टार्ट चेंजिंग. नेक्स्ट स्लाइड. स्ट्रेस को अगर हम एक शब्द में कहना चाहें, इट इज द मिसमैच बिटवीन द डिमांड एंड द सप्लाई. जहां पर भी हम स्ट्रेसफुल हो जाते हैं, तनाव में आ जाते हैं, टूट जाते हैं, बिखर जाते हैं, दुखी हो जाते हैं, अशांत, भयभीत, चिंतित, नाराज, दैट मीन्स जो भी परिस्थिति, व्हाट आर द सर्कमस्टेंसेस, सिचुएशंस आर, the stresses, whether they are external or internal, are becoming heavy on me. Mismatch between the supply and the demand is the cause of stress. Next slide. Next slide, please. See, the stress is nothing but the pressure. What we can see in the next slide is the pressure, internal or external, divided by inner strength. Yes, here you can see in this slide, stress is nothing but the pressure, दबाव, जो बाहरी भी हो सकता है और आंतरंग भी हो सकता है. This is the numerator. Denominator shows inner strength. आपने शायद और एक बार क्लिक करिए इसको, स्लाइड इज नॉट बीइंग क्लियरली शोन। वो स्लाइड चला गया, ठीक है। एनीवे, अब यहाँ पर एक सवाल मैं पूछना चाहूंगा आपसे, व्हाट इज इंटरनल प्रेशर? External pressure means the situation is such that you need the great amount of money to instantly what has come to you in the form of some medical emergency, whatever it is, and you don't have that much of supply of money for that to overcome that situation. किसी का स्वभाव बहुत ज्यादा critical है, you are not able to cope up with that person. Anything which is outside you is called the external pressure. It can be your health, it can be the financial crisis, it can be the nature of your boss, or it can be anything which is giving the pressure from outside you. Can anybody unmute yourself and tell me what is internal pressure? ये वो तनाव है, ये वो स्ट्रेस है जहां से हम खुद इसको क्रिएट करते हैं. What is that? Can please anybody unmute and tell me? Or you can write in the chat box also. What is the internal pressure which is causing the stress?
Internal pressure is basically the fear of failure, that you won't be able to do it.
Exactly. Under your self underestimation, the fear of public speaking, your own nature which cannot be called an easy nature. All the things which is coming and adding to the stress in my life, the person is you within. Maybe your thoughts, maybe your feelings, or maybe you can say the judgments about your own performance in any area. Yes, next slide, please. Self-criticism. Neha very rightly also put it over here. Yes, next slide, please. Now, this is very important slide. तनाव, प्रेशर शुरू से ही रहा है दुनिया में. This slide shows is a result of unruly emotions. सर इसके पहले का स्लाइड प्लीज आइए. इसके पहले का स्लाइड. I want the previous slide. Yes. This slide shows that in the previous days, whenever the person was getting stressed, the ancestor used to fight or flight. या तो वहां से भाग जाना है या तो उससे लड़ना है. But in today's time, this stress has taken such a severe form. Fight, flight, fright. Neither we can fight nor we can run or fly from that situation, but हम वहीं के वहीं जमे रह जाते हैं. We can't do anything. We start feeling absolutely helplessness because of it. This stress is causing so much of damage to our body, to the mind, to our emotions, to our behavior, to our relationship. Everything is getting disturbed because of the stress. Next slide, please. Is a result of unruly emotions. When we cannot control our emotions start controlling us. Next slide. Abhi yahan, yes. As absence of stress literally means absence of life. Can anybody tell me any time, any event, any situation where you feel the life can be absolutely stress-free? Please come up, open up yourself and tell me. Anybody please? कौन सी ऐसी जगह है, कौन सी ऐसी सिचुएशन है, कौन सा ऐसा समय है where you feel that in that place, at that time, with that person, under that situation or circumstances, I'm absolutely stress-free. Please, anybody?
During meditation.
During meditation.
During sleep.
ड्यूरिंग स्लीप, स्लीप में अगर आप बहुत बुरे बुरे सपने देख रहे हैं,
When we were happy, हम खुश थे उस समय, भूल जाते हैं सब कुछ.
हाँ, इसके पहले किसने जवाब दिया सबसे पहले? नींद के पहले somebody gave some answer please.
During meditation. During meditation.
ड्यूरिंग मेडिटेशन जो है ना, सबसे ज्यादा तूफान अगर आपकी जिंदगी में है, रेस्टलेसनेस है, कन्फ्लिक्ट है, chaos है, तो जैसे ही आप मेडिटेशन करने बैठते हैं तो दोज नेगेटिव फोर्सेस स्ट्राइक अटैकिंग यू विद मोर ऑफ सेवेरिटी. Slowly, gradually, it keeps on reducing. But during meditation also, the people tell me, because being a counselor, I've been attending the cases worldwide for the last 30 years. And my clients say me, बलराम, मुझसे मेडिटेशन होता ही नहीं है. मैं मेडिटेशन करने बैठती हूँ, मेरे मन में भूचाल आ जाता है विचारों का. I can't take control of those thoughts. Meditation, of course, is a dynamic process of self transformation, to heal, to solve, to resolve, to empower yourself. But during meditation also, you might come across the instability of the mind. But at that time, what meditation says, be a passive watcher. जो भी हो रहा है उसे होने दो. कुछ न करने का नाम, कुछ न एक्शन लेने का नाम. We are actionless during meditation. So that exactly. Anybody else, please? There is a place where we absolutely feel out of stress. वहाँ कोई तनाव होता ही नहीं है. Yes, please.
A happy state of mind.
Happy state of mind. You are in a very, very good happy state of mind. All of a sudden, you get the news which is very bad news. Even the news of loss of someone very near and dear one, or any news which is making you totally out of your relaxation. Anybody else?
During vacation.
During
Vacation.
vacation.
When we are going out,
हाँ,
so we are totally relaxed.
आप कहीं बाहर जा रहे हैं पिकनिक के लिए, with a wonderful mood. All of a sudden, you get in conflict with someone around you, with you, or you met with an accident in the way. Driver has not turned up. The car which was supposed to take you to the destination has failed. Won't that be the stressful situation that at the time also? Now my next slide, please. Show the next slide, please. स्ट्रेस सिर्फ दो ही लोगों को नहीं होता है. एक वो जो मां के गर्भ में है, और एक वो जो शमशान घाट पहुंच चुका है. स्ट्रेस इज फ्रॉम womb to tomb. Getting my point? Shall the next slide, please? ये देखिए, स्लाइड में क्लियर कट बताया गया है कि स्ट्रेस का जो तना है, that is ego. Stress can come from the self, situations, relations, and the workplace. And the place there is no stress, it is only between womb to tomb. वो जो पैदा नहीं हुआ है और वो जो मर चुका है, इसके बीच में जो भी इस दुनिया में है, everybody is experiencing the stress one or the other way. कुछ स्ट्रेसेस बहुत ज़्यादा पॉजिटिव होते हैं, to overcome the demands of the commitment, या फिर कुछ emergency actions लेने होते हैं जो हम स्ट्रेस में ही ले सकते हैं. We call it good stress, but the stress which is mainly breaking us. I always tell the people that 20th century was the century of stress and 21st century the century of destruction. We are getting absolutely helpless in all the areas, all the aspects of life. Next slide, please. अब स्ट्रेस एक्चुअली आता कहाँ से है? व्हाट आर स्ट्रेस कॉजिंग सिचुएशन? बहुत ज्यादा जल्दीबाजी में हम रहते हैं, ऑल द टाइम hassles. Next, so much of demand from the world around us. The world is too much demanding. शायद प्लीज एक के बाद स्लाइड चेंज करते रहिए. Next slide shows deadlines. What I'm facing in the factory with the corporate jobs, every job comes with a deadline, with lot of challenge, with lot of commitment, with lot of sincerity, with lot of honesty. Next slide, ego. Here this slide shows person is not the problem, ego is the problem. Next slide. Frustrations. Next, shooting up tensions. Next, higher income and less morals, more liberty and less joy, much more food and less nutrition. Today we have higher buildings and wider highways, but shorter temperaments and narrower points of view. हमारा जो नजरिया है वो बहुत ज्यादा नैरो हो चुका है. Fears and phobias. Next slide. Yes, this I already explained. Next slide. Fears and phobias. Next slide. Inability to control a situation. जब हम परिस्थिति को हैंडल नहीं कर सकते हैं because our own mental state is at a very low level. Next. Inability to express the feelings. We cannot express ourselves. Next. Shocking situations, tsunamis, divers, accidents, terrorism. These all are beyond our control, which they also cause the stress. Now attitudes, complaining nature. Next, overestimating self and underestimating others. Next, vices. All the 5 vices we are in the grip of which causing a lot of stress. Next, knife edge competitions. Next, now behavioral symptoms, grinding teeth. You can see the face of this lady. Behavioral symptoms, the wrinkling forehead. Next, high-pitched nervous laughter. What you could see in the Munna Bhai MBBS Munna Bhai film, we could see this. Next, फूटा फिंगर टैपिंग. लगातार अपने पैरों को हिलाते रहते हैं कुछ लोग या फिंगर से लगातार टैपिंग करते रहते हैं. नेक्स्ट, नेल बाइटिंग. नेक्स्ट, हेयर पुलिंग. बार बार बालों को पुल करना है, इसको ट्रलिंग करते हैं, उसको मरोड़ते रहना. नेक्स्ट, बहुत ज्यादा शराब, स्मोकिंग. नेक्स्ट, कंपल्सिव ईटिंग, डाइटिंग, less of interest in physical appearance. Chronic tardiness, लगातार थकान का अनुभव करना, dull appearance and performance. Next, now this is sore face. Sore face does not come by chance. It is the result of sore thoughts. Next, बहुत ज्यादा लोग मूडी हो चुके हैं, jealousy. Next, fear, agitation. Next, suspicion, depression. Next slide. Now see the face here. On the left hand side, the same lady has such a fair skin. On the right hand side, the full of psoriasis she has. It is all because of internal crying, bitterness, and feeling absolutely uneasiness about the situation or the people or the event. What we call it is that all the skin problems start with bitterness within. Next, nervousness. Next, anxiety. Next, withdrawal from the people. Suicide, thoughts of suicide. Next slide. Next, frustration. Yes. Now we come to the main core of the session. How to manage and prevent stress. The very first slide shows here, spend some moments of silence every day with yourself, because meditation is the greatest healer. What I told you earlier in the stress slide, that stress is external and the internal situation divided by inner strength. If the stress goes higher in your life, the only thing that can save you is your own internal strength of holding, sustaining the pressure of the world outside you, or pressure from the. नेहा को स्लाइड नहीं दिखाई दे. नेहा, can you शाद भाई, can you help her? नेहा,
नेहा, you can pin the slide from the right side. आपको छोटे सेक्शन में आपको दिखाई दे रही होगी, उसमें आप पिन का ऑप्शन है, उसमें आप प्रेस करेंगे तो आपको दिखाई देगी. और उसके बाद भी नहीं दिखाई दे रही, आप एक बार लॉग ऑफ करके लॉग इन कर लीजिए, तो जो प्रेजेंटेशन होगा वो आपको दिखेगा.
see, I explained this thing over here. If suppose with the naked feet you are asked to walk on the stones, can you walk or not? Please reply. अगर आपके पैरों में चप्पल नहीं है, जूता नहीं है, and you are asked to walk on the stones, can you walk?
No.
With difficulty?
I don't think so.
Because there is no option. आपको stones को क्रॉस करके ही आगे चलना है. Can
हाँ.
you go?
Yes, then we can go when we have no option.
Right? Now suppose आपके पैर में एक छोटी सी सुई की नोक के बराबर भी थोड़ी सी फोड़ी है. You have got boil very little of the size of the needle point. Can you then walk on those stones?
No.
Of course, yes. Sujat also rightly replied no. Under such circumstances, आपका पैर जमीन पर रखने के पहले ही ouch. अनिला जी has put the right word कि ouch निकल जाएगा. Before you can even put your feet on the ground or on the stones. Such is the thing. Without meditation, the world you will find is full of thorns. Next slide. Next slide. The most easiest thing to overcome the stress is to keep your nature easy. जितना अपने स्वभाव को हल्का रखोगे, you will find the things to be easier for you. Maybe the challenges, situation, the people around you. An easy nature comes only with the regular practice of meditation, gratitude, what we've been telling you in different sessions under Rapid Mind. Next slide, please. Acceptance. This is the most beautiful outcome of meditation. Once you start accepting instead of reacting, instead of being non-responsive, or you can say you are not accept the situation the way they are, the people the way they are, the things are bound to be more and more critical for you, more and more challenging for you. Once you accept कि आपकी बहू कैसी है, once you accept how your people around you are, you accept your boss the way he is or the way she is. Next slide, please.
Sir, sometimes acceptance become very difficult. In some situations, we really reject the situations.
See, very right you are saying. When the acceptance becomes difficult, that means you need the more of inner strength. You need to raise your own consciousness, because non-acceptance is going to bring more of stress in your life. Non-acceptance will make everything more miserable for you. Acceptance.
Yes, sir, but when we don't accept, we only delaying our good, because we lose our time. When we easily accept, then our time saves, and we can do a better response in that condition.
See, today morning I was sharing with Dr. Anila and Raj bhai, in the morning when I went to the factory inside, within 5 minutes, the turmoil sort of things happen inside the factory. And I told them, why you people don't take care of, if I'm late by certain time, you should know what is to be done and how the things can be adjusted, how the things can go along. So they were totally not agreeing with what I was saying. On the spot, I told my mind, कि I'm the boss of the company and these people, इनको थोड़ी समझ कम है. अगर भगवान ने मुझे ज्यादा समझ दिया to accept the way they are. Within 5 minutes time, everything went on to normal. और उसका बेसिक रीजन था, जहां भी सिचुएशन को मैं समझता हूं कि क्रिटिकल है मेरे सामने, it is not only destroying my time, but even the company's production also. That times I put my both the knees on the ground. मैं दोनों ही घुटनों को जमीन पर टेक कर, I put my both the hands folded. I show utmost humility. I show utmost humbleness in my behavior, and I told them, see now, without you people, I cannot go ahead. I'm not alone to work in this factory. It is your support, your cooperation, which is making this factory to run. And everybody accepted that with my acceptance, and the things went on so smoothly and so beautifully today. I'm still talking from factory only. Entire day was full of, you can say, the calmness and quietness. It was only because of my acceptance at that time. The situation which जो मेरे सामने परिस्थिति आई उस समय, I accepted it.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Next slide, please. Yes, non-judgmental. If your kids are not following you, I'm telling you very clearly. एक पहला slide. Shad bhai, please. Previous slide. Previous slide पे आइए, please. Yes, non-judgmental. ये जबरदस्त आउटकम है मेडिटेशन का. रेगुलर प्रैक्टिस ऑफ यू बिकम नॉन जजमेंटल, पैसिव वॉचर, जिसको हम कहते हैं कि ध्यान, मेडिटेशन की आत्मा है साक्षीपन का भाव. जो भी हो रहा है उसे होने देना ही ध्यान कहलाता है, मेडिटेशन कहलाती है. जजमेंटल होंगे मेरे बेटे, ऐसे क्यों नहीं करते? आई एम टेलिंग, वी आर द जनरेशन. We are the generation of my age. Those two people are sitting beyond about 60 or beyond or around 50. We are the generation who has been listening to their parents, and we are the generation whose kids are never going to listen. But the true joy lies in accepting them the way they are, and the true joy of living the life happily, most contentedly, lies only accepting and being non-judgmental. This is the beautiful way of avoiding the stress in the life. The next slide. Silence is stress free. जहां भी परिस्थिति बिगड़ती नजर आ रही है, स्ट्रेस बढ़ रहा है, बस शांत हो जाइए. Maintain silence. Next slide. Yes, some beautiful slides I have shown it here. Stress management के लिए delegate, but don't forget. आप अपने responsibility को delegate किया to your subordinate, but don't forget. You have to make up the follow. Next slide.
Excuse me, sir, वो आपने बताया नहीं, अगर kids आपको follow नहीं कर रहे तो क्या करना है?
See, the best thing what I do, my daughter-in-law and my son, they both are very modest. You can see the most beautiful looking also. लोग जब रास्ते पे चलते हैं, मॉल में जाते हैं, तो उनको लोग मतलब सलमान खान और ऐश्वर्या राय बोलते हैं. They look so good. अब life they want to live. We both parents never come. We always cooperate them to live the life they want to live. इसका एक कतई मतलब नहीं कि हम जब उनको खुला छोड़ देते तो बिगड़ जाएंगे. आई एम टेलिंग यू कि अगर आप उनको अनकंडीशनली प्यार देते हैं विथ नॉन जजमेंटल एटीट्यूड, विद एटीट्यूड ऑफ एक्सेप्टेंस, आई एम टेलिंग यू आपके बच्चे भले बाहर जाएंगे, लेट आएंगे, लेकिन वो कभी बिगड़ेंगे नहीं. वो हमेशा आपको प्यार देते रहेंगे. व्हाट वी बोथ हैव बीन एक्सपीरियंसिंग, दे ऑलवेज लव अस, they always give us utmost respect and regard, and we also have made it a point to give them unconditional love, which is making our family, which has made our family absolutely happier and contented. Is that clear to you?
Okay, thank you, sir.
Yes. Time management. जो लोग टाइम को मैनेज नहीं कर पाते हैं वह सदा ही स्ट्रेस में रहते हैं. टाइम को मैनेज करना मतलब जिंदगी से व्यर्थ को निकाल देना, विस्तार को सार में ले आना। द थिंग्स विच आर ऑफ नो यूज टू यू, हम छोटी सी बात का बतंगड़ बना उस बात को बड़ा बना लेते हैं, बार बार उसको रिपीट करते रहते हैं, तो उन लोगों के लिए टाइम अवेलेबल मैनेज नहीं हो सकता है। बट यू आर वेरी कमिटेड, आई एम टेलिंग यू, आई एम ए बिजनेसमैन, मेरा सुबह से शाम तक फैक्ट्री में कमिटमेंट रहता है, बट आई बीइंग एब्सोल्युटली committed, sincere, honest, truthfulness in my attitude. I don't think like last 37 years of my business, I might have deceived anyone. All these things never ever take my attention, which is destroying my time. And with the same time, I keep on learning every day. I keep on attending, giving my sessions to the world across. I've gone to the more than 13 countries and almost every corner of India, every border of India, I've gone for services. And all this is because of the time management. Next slide, please. Do help others. When you help others, you are internally contented. You internally start growing more to the higher consciousness. Kar bhala to ho bhala. I'm telling you an example. I'm doing in the PVC welding manufacturing business. But if anybody comes with another polymers of PVC like PP, HD, BOPP or rigid transparency packaging, I always keep the addresses with me just to guide them. Even though I'm not with that business and nothing, I never ever work where these things, helping others, can fetch me some profit. I always told them, people tell me, बलराम आपकी वजह से मुझे बहुत फायदा हुआ है, आप प्लीज कुछ इनसे ले लो। मैंने कहा देखो, परमात्मा ने, मैंने अच्छाई की, आपको दिशा दिखाई है, तो मेरे खाते में पुण्य का खाता जुड़ा है। आई एम ऑलरेडी फीलिंग एबंडेंट, व्हाट मनी कैन नॉट गिव मी। दिस थिंग helping others always giving me much more than what money can give you. Next slide, please. Laughter kills the stress. शादाई, एक सवाल आया है यहाँ, जरा देखिए प्लीज क्या है, व्हाट इज द क्वेश्चन हियर, somebody has put the question. Yes, please, can you repeat?
Okay, सुजाता जी ने सवाल पूछा है, but what to do when people you help ditch you?
देखिए, ये बात मैं बार बार अपने सेशन में समझाता हूँ कि आपकी अच्छाई आपके पास यूनिवर्स रिटर्न करने ही वाला है। जो जाता है वो आता है, जो देते हो पाते हो, जो बोते हो वही काटते हो। अगर आपके पास में उस जगह से कुछ अच्छा नहीं आ रहा है, ये कतई उसका अर्थ नहीं है कि आपने जो अच्छा किया है वो आपके पास अच्छा लौट कर नहीं आएगा। मे बी द एक समझो, एक टांकी है, उसमें कहीं पर सैंड है, उसके ऊपर शक्कर भरी है, फिर सैंड भरी है, फिर शक्कर भरी है, फिर सैंड भरी, फिर शक्कर भरी है। आपने अगर ऊपर में शक्कर डाला है और नीचे सैंड आ रहा है, वो कहीं और का आपका कर्मों का परिणाम है। बट मेक इट श्योर कि जो व्यक्ति दूसरों के साथ अच्छाई दिखाता है, यू आर डूइंग गुड ना, यू आर गेटिंग क्लोजर टू गॉड, और आपकी अच्छाई आपके अंतर जगत को सशक्त करती है। इट मेक यू टू राइज इन ओन कॉन्शियसनेस। उससे आप है ना, बिना, इफ यू डोंट एक्सपेक्ट एनीथिंग आउट ऑफ योर गुडनेस ना, द बेस्ट यूनिवर्स इज बाउंड टू रिटर्न इट टू यू। वो एक ब्रह्मांड के ऊपर एक कर्ज जो होता है, जो ब्रह्मांड देगा ही वापस। इज दैट क्लियर टू यू, सुजाता?
Yes, sir. But shall we help them again?
All the time, always, not again.
Okay, okay.
हमेशा be a giver. When you are giving, you are accepting God. मैंने अपने 30 साल की जिंदगी में दिया ही दिया है, और उसने मुझे संपन्नता और भरपूरता जो दी है, which no money can give me. You getting my point?
जी, जी. Thank you, sir.
Laughter kills stress. जो लाफिंग क्लब होता है वो भी स्ट्रेस को दूरता है। एक्सरसाइज आपको स्ट्रेस से दूर रखती है, योगासन, प्राणायाम या ब्रिस्क वॉकिंग, जिम्नास्टिक्स, आउटडोर गेम्स, स्विमिंग, all these things release the endorphins in your body, neurotransmitters, which makes you to feel good, and they kill the stress. Better be, abhi slide, next slide please. Is better be equipped to face the uncertainties. हमेशा ही तैयार रहें जिंदगी के उन आपदाओं के लिए जो आ सकती हैं, so you'll be less stressful. Next slide please. Higher the commitment, lesser the stress. Be committed all the time towards your family, towards your job, towards your body, towards your whatever responsibility you have in your life. Higher the commitment, lesser the stress. Next slide please. Now this is very, very important to keep the stress away. Spirituality. Spirituality is emotional stability. True knowledge you get with the spirituality, purity, which generates peace, which gives you love, which makes you more pleasurable, it makes you empowered, and it makes your life truly blissful. These all the things are generated being SQ, which is the fundamental of emotional stability. Next slide. To recap, then stress is natural response, impacts both body and mind, brings out the best in some people, has adverse effect on most, can drain health. हमारे शरीर के all the 13 systems are affected by stress. Maybe the immune system, nervous system, respiratory, circulatory, digestive, any damn system the body gets affected with stress. So control stress before it controls you. Next slide, please. Stress management is nothing but the mind management. Stress is not frightful. You meet it, greet it, take it as a challenge. Next slide. जिनके मन सशक्त होते हैं, if you want to become the emperor of your life, you have to be emperor of your mind. That means your mind's potential only decides how stressful we are. हमारी जिंदगी में जो भी घटता है होता है, it is only 10%. 90% how we react to what happens to us creates the stress in our life. That means जिंदगी किसी भी तनाव के लिए परिस्थिति, व्यक्ति या सर्कमस्टांसेस, सिचुएशन जिम्मेदार नहीं होते हैं, क्योंकि दैट इज ओनली 10%. बट हम उसको कैसे लेते हैं, हाउ वी टेक अप दोस थिंग्स, 90% वी कंट्रीब्यूट. फॉर दैट वी हैव टू बी स्ट्रेस फ्री और वी हैव टू बी स्ट्रेसफुल. फॉर दैट जहां हम बैठे हैं इस वक्त रैपिड माइल में, सी दिस इज आल्सो वन ऑफ द प्लेटफॉर्म्स वेयर मॉर्निंग मैजिक्स, मिडवीक मैजिक्स, four dimensions अभी इनका चल रहा है. You will see that all four of us and everybody coming to these sessions, they're always learning and growing from within. Once you grow from within, the things outside which might appear to you as a stressful situation and circumstance, they automatically disappear. So here I come to end of my session. Yes, shall we now we can welcome the questions, please.
Yes, higher the commitment you have told and lower is the stress. I don't agree to it.
See, I'm telling you, this is my practical example. I'm a businessman. I'm a proprietor here. In the last 37 years, the commitment that I have shown to my factory, it is highly rewarding me, because
It may be rewarding you in terms of money, etc. But you may be under tremendous stress to fulfill the commitment.
देखिए मैं एक बात बताता हूँ. कमिटमेंट मीन्स गिविंग लव टू द योर जॉब. कमिटमेंट मीन्स बीइंग एब्सोल्युटली परफेक्ट इन योर परफॉर्मेंस. व्हाट द रिजल्ट्स कम irrespective of that. When you are committed, the commitment is also a very positive aspect of life which fetches the best in the life. आपकी पूरी commitment, but when I see that commitment is not being fulfilled, what I do, I be fully aware. I tell my parties कि देखिए आपका काम 2 दिन पहले खत्म होने वाला था. I was committed, but because of certain problems, I tell them exactly the right things. And Ashok, I am telling you, मेरी जिंदगी में they people have always cooperated. इसके पहले कि उनके मन में कुछ ऐसा संकल्प चलता है कि बलराम is not committed. When they see that he is a very committed person, he is telling me before the things not reaching in time and completing in time. जब मैं सामने जाकर उनके सामने सत्यता के सब कुछ कह देता हूँ ना, तो I have seen that their cooperation comes at my disposal all the time. Such is the beauty, because commitment is the divine virtue. एक ईश्वरीय गुण है. Yes, Sanila ji, would you like to add on this?
आप एक देखिए कि जो लोग मार्केटिंग में है, सेल्स में है, प्रोडक्शन में है, उनके and they are given targets,
right,
and they have to commit those targets. If they do not commit, then they may lose their job also. So that pressure, completing the target, put them under tremendous stress.
See, when you are doing the best in your life, best is bound to
Instead of doing their best, they are not able to fulfill. and there the problem comes.
See, you have not to see the world outside you. All the time you focus yourself and see what best you can do under those circumstances, situations. I'm going to tell you your positive aspect towards the situation and your full commitment towards the challenges of the life. It is always going to give you the things which you may not agree with, but being no other alternative, this is the only best thing what we can give at that time. Anila ji, am I right?
Yes, sir, absolutely correct. Just one thing, I'm just going to reiterate. You have already spoken it. Doing our best. Just continue to do the best that you can do. That's really all that you can do. And you have to leave the results. The results will come. The results are not in your hands, but the actual doing of what you have to do is in your hands. So you do the best you can do. Second thing, be present. Be present in whatever we do. There's one thing that we do often is that we are so full of multiple thoughts that we are never able to really focus on what we are doing at that moment. So जो भी आप कर रहे हैं, whatever we are doing, do it with complete focus. Even if it is as simple as, now I'm a lady, so I'm bringing this up, but a wonderful Vietnamese monk has said, if you're washing vessels, wash vessels. Don't let your mind be thinking about, I have to go and clean the bedroom, I have to wash the clothes. No, when you're washing vessels, wash vessels. In other words, be present in whatever you do. 100% focus. Your results will come. That's all.
Actually, madam, in the sales and marketing, you have kept a very high target.
Yes, of course.
It's always giving you pressure to fulfill
Yes. Now, if we don't do our best towards that, Ashokji, I completely understand. If we don't do our best, we will never reach any kind of target, let alone the target that is set for us. If we are going to continue, if you're going to only continue to think about the target and keep it distant from us, the target will never come to us. So on a day-to-day basis, if we put in our best efforts, you will get results. And there is a greater chance of attaining that target than without being able to give our best with complete focus. So it is a choice. Do I want to look at the target and keep stressing myself out? Or do I want to do what I'm doing right now to the best of my ability? Now that is a personal decision. There are many salesmen and all and people in marketing who also are very happy and joyful about their job. In the sense, as they go about their work, with that kind of attitude, without looking at the target, somehow they're maintaining and even exceeding targets. So if you're in the right thing and doing what you have to do with complete focus and to your best ability, there is a greater chance of hitting that target.
Okay. Thank you, ma'am.
Right?
अच्छा एक सेंटेंस और मैं ऐड करना चाहूँगा यहाँ पर. See, I'm telling you, nothing more rewardful can be when you're putting the best into it, your satisfaction and your contentment from within, which is beyond your what the you can say what the position or the positions you get in life. Much more than rewarding is your own internal satisfaction and contentment. Am I right?
So can we conclude it then that telling that the things which are beyond your control, you have to leave it as it is and let it take its own course?
Yes, but before leaving, before surrendering, you have to do the best and then surrender. Patanjali also has said in one of the niyamas, Ishwar Pranidhan, means you have to do the best in that aspect, in that area, in that situation, circumstances, then surrender to God. That's where it goes.
Surrendering to God, or is it Sharanagati you thought it is?
Exactly, there you are.
Oh,
But
right.
before that, you do the best, then surrender.
But then how will you know how will you know that you reach your limits? Before surrendering to God, you have to exercise your own this thing, whatever best you can do.
See, everybody knows what best I can put in. if you're very
But
sincere, very honest, very committed,
Sir, but
you're
you will
born
not know the limits, you will keep on trying.
See, limit means which is making you very strenuous, which is making you very much hardworking. See, everything done with utmost ease, with utmost comfort. That is the best for you. When you're prolonging it, you're pulling it, so that cannot be called the best for you.
That's right. Know yourself first. Yeah.
Yeah. Shaz bhai, would you like to put up something on this, please?
I think you have explained it pretty well. It's important that we get connected to our inner being. And once we are connected to our inner being would itself tell us what is the best we can do. And once we surrender does not mean giving up. Surrender means just keeping our ego aside, that it's not only me who would have to handle this job. There can be people to support me, there can be God to support me. Let me take the support from others and then execute this. That's all. Thank you.
You're surrendering to the highest authority, the universe, God. He knows much better than you what is best for you and what time it is, what is good for you, when it is good for you. We are not surrender means हम लोग hands up नहीं कर रहे हैं. We are now bringing God in between to take care of our problems or the situations.
Yeah.
Sir, can you give some suggestions on how to motivate ourselves if we start something new in our life, like in studies or something else? मतलब हम अपने आप को स्टार्टिंग में मोटिवेट फील करते हैं, मोटिवेट रहते हैं हम अपने आप को कि हमें ये करना है, लेकिन आफ्टर सम टाइम वो मोटिवेशन जो है वो धीरे धीरे डिक्रीज होने लगती है. तो उस मोटिवेशन को हम बनाए रखें डेली बेसिस पे, और जो हमें काम डेली बेसिस पे करना है या जितनी स्टडी करनी है, तो वो हमारी जो है वो मेंटेन रहे, उसके लिए आप कुछ सजेस्ट करेंगे प्लीज?
See, before I can hand over this to डॉक्टर नीला, मैं एक बात कहना चाहूँगा कि देखिए, कोई भी काम आप जब शुरू करते हैं ना, डटे रहो. Start and never stop. Start and never give up. And all the time keeps on reading the books, attending these seminars, workshops, which keep you motivated. Be in the be with the people around you, those who achieve something in life. Start reading the books. Motivational books are always there. I always suggest for them deep breathing. I suggest them for meditation regularly to all my clients, those who come to me for the counseling. Yes, Anila, I would like you to speak on this motivation.
One thing that will help is to always have a list of goals handy for you, especially your topmost goal, right? When your goals are in front of you, there is a greater chance. And yet, that is still a very external way of doing it. Motivation is something that often does wear off. It should be inspiration coming from within. That nobody can take you off from your path then, because your calling is coming from within. All right? Lean on that. Get in touch with your inner being. It will not fail you. Motivation wears out. All right? So this is in very simple words.
Thank you. I'd like to clap for you. Wonderful experience. Let the things come from inside in the form of divine guidance, where you will be always motivated. And the things that you are going to do after that, they will take you to towards your destination. That's very true. Yes. Any other question?
सर, माइंड को पावरफुल बनाने के लिए मेडिटेशन ही एक सबसे बेस्ट जरिया है.
खुश रहना, हेल्प करना, ग्रेटफुल फील करना, अप्रिशिएट करना, कोऑपरेट करना, be concerned, be aware about how the best you can get to the world around you. Anything that makes you to feel good will make you to rise your own consciousness. और जैसे अपनी कॉन्शियसनेस में ऊपर बढ़ते चले जाओगे, आपका माइंड सशक्त होता चला जाएगा. You'll be away from the waste. You'll be away from negativity. और जितना इन चीजों से दूर आप चलते चले जाओगे, आपका मन जो है सशक्त बनता चला जाएगा. उससे मेडिटेशन इज द हाईएस्ट टूल. बाकी अनिला जी बहुत अच्छा कराती हैं मॉर्निंग में. 3 things she takes: affirmations, then meditation she takes, sometimes the breathing, अलग अलग प्रकार के meditations रहती है अनिला जी मॉर्निंग में, and then The second is gratitude. She makes you write gratitude. All these things which makes you to feel good always will make your mind more stronger. Silence है, meditation है, appreciation है, what I already told you.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
खुदे के साथ भी अच्छा व्यवहार करोगे ना, तो आपका मन सशक्त होगा, वेस्ट में नहीं जाएगा, वो मन निगेटिव में नहीं जाता है। मन निगेटिव में तभी जाता है जब हम क्या करते हैं। देखो 3 बातें होती है। एक होता है व्यक्ति जो आप कुछ भी, पहला होता है सात्विक। सात्विक मतलब मैं जो भी करूंगा अच्छा ही करूंगा, दूसरा मेरे साथ कुछ भी करे। दूसरे लोग होते हैं राजसिक, तुमने जैसा किया वैसा नहीं करूंगी। और इस प्रकार के लोग होते हैं तामसिक, जो कुछ भी तुम कर लो मैं बुरा ही करूंगा। The more we are on sattvic side, the more peaceful the mind will be, the more energized mind will be, more powerful mind will be.
जी sir. Thank you, sir.
जो ये सोचते हैं जैसा मेरे साथ किया गया मैं वैसा ही करूंगी, वो कौन होंगे?
Tamasic, tit for
Okay.
tat.
जी जी
They are killing themselves.
जी
वो क्षमा न करना, किसी बदला लेना, ईर्ष्या, द्वेष, दुर्भावना, बदले की भावना. These are self-killing things what you are adopting. करुणा,
ओके
दया, क्षमा, रहम, ये आपको क्या करेगा, सामने वाले के मन के भावों को भी कम करेगा और आपको भी ऊपर उठाएगा. Step of the
जी सर
mind. So
जी
the stress management
जी
is the
सर
mind management. The more you are doing the good things to you, more closer you are to God. The more closer you are to God, the more divine insight you will develop from within, and that will keep on guiding you in the lives, all the circumstances situation you will be able to overcome.
जी सर थैंक यू सर
Yes. Yes, sir. We can ask for any last question, Aniraji, because we are almost completion the time.
So we are fully satisfied with your the way you have described the entire thing. We feel ourselves now inspired.
Thank you. I see all your greatness. I highly appreciate that also. So thank you to all of you. Shadbhai, are you there?
Yes, I'm there. Dr. Anila would like to close the
Yes.
session.
If there are no more questions, we will go ahead and close the session. Thank you all for being here. And I'm just like I have been, made aware of a lot of new things today. I'm sure we have all learned lots of new things. So before we leave, let's join together and thank Mr. Balram Talreja with a round of applause. Thank you, sir, for such a wonderful session.
Thank you, Anila ma'am. I would correct. Thank you, everyone.
Thank you.
Thank you for being here.
Thank you.
See you next
Thank you, sir.
Wednesday evening.
Thank you for teaching us. Thank you.